Okay, so good morning, 6th standard student, once again, and we can discuss the question answer now of the lesson. So go to the page number 40, and one by one we will discuss the question answer. You see, children, you should know how to write the answer if the story is narrated to you. Are you able to listen me? You should know this. What I will do, I will help you how to write the answers. Okay. So first question you see, question number 1. No sir, nothing. Okay. So question number 1 is, which incident first made Kailash wonder about injustice in the world. About injustice in the world. So I will help you with keyword, and you have to make the sentences, and you have to write the answer, and you have to submit also. Okay, have to submit also.
Sir, when?
You will get the date and time, but you can start doing. Okay. Okay, so now I think the question is visible nicely. You see
Yes,
question,
sir.
which incident first made Kailash wonder about injustice in the world? Okay, so which incident was this? When he was going to school, okay, and when he saw the son of cobbler of his age only is sitting in front of the school and he is doing the cobbler work. So this incident only what made him to feel, okay. So he became very wonder about the injustice in the world. So like this you can write the answer. Okay, answers you are doing by yourself or teacher is doing for you. Anyone can reply? Any student can reply this?
Sir, actually, sir was only giving us the question answers.
Okay, but now this will not
But he
happen.
was,
Now
asking
story I will
questions.
teach.
What?
Now story I will teach. Okay, answers I will discuss. But I want that all the children should learn how to write the answer also. Okay, how to write the correct answer also. You should learn. When you will learn. If answer also I will write, children. When you will learn. You write, I will check your answer is correct or not. Okay, so all of you start writing this answer. Now in the copy, which incident first made Kailash wonder about injustice in the world? Anyone wants to say the answer? No. So the answer you will write is, okay, when he saw a boy of discussion of question answer. Okay. Now you see second question. What was the headmaster's response to Kailash query? Okay. What was the headmaster response to Kailash query? I think you can give this answer orally also. You can say the answer orally also. Anshika, Abhinav, Divyanshu, all the children, Astha, Namrata, Varsha, and who is this? Pratham Priya, then Varsha, Namrata, all the children. You can say the answer now. If you remember the story, what I have taught, then you can say the answer. What child asked to the headmaster and what the headmaster replied him? Means you children
Sir,
are not
Sir,
studying. Yes.
sir, may I try?
the headmaster.
Yes, who is speaking?
Sir, sir, I.
Okay, say.
Sir, the headmaster respond to Kailash query that that it was normal for the children of a poor family to work with their parents as the parents were unable to send their children to school because they cannot afford that much money.
Yes, correct answer. So headmaster
Sir,
replied.
may I also say?
Okay, so you also say your answer.
The headmaster said to the Kailash Satyarthi that the boy is too poor, and he works for to survive. He is so poor he cannot afford the to study. His father is, and he will be he also do the cobbler.
Okay, very good. So children, what we are learning that we should not copy the answer from the book. We should speak the answer in our own words, what we have understood. Then only we can get full marks in the examination. Okay. So the child said correct answer. Both children have said correct answer. What the answer is? That headmaster replied that it is common for the poor people to work. Okay, if they will not work, they cannot get money, they cannot survive, and to survive, poor children have to work. So this is the reply given to the Kailash by the headmaster. Have you understood, children? All of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you say. Now all of you can write this answer in your copy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Boys are not speaking in this class. Third question you see. What was the cobbler's initial reaction to Kailash's question? So when Kailash asked question from the cobbler that why you are not sending your child to school, why you are making him to work here, that time what was the first reaction, initial reaction of the cobbler? Okay, who will answer this question? See,
Sir,
any answer you can give, it is not
Sir, may I?
compulsory, only correct answer you have to say. Okay, yes, say.
Sir, the cobbler said to Kailash that I am so poor that I cannot afford my child to go to send my child to school. My father was cobbler, I am cobbler, and in future my son will be also a cobbler.
Okay, very good
And
answer.
he said this much.
Yes,
Sir, may I say?
yes, say.
The cobbler was withdrawn and hesitant. He replied in a frail voice. Babuji, no one has ever asked me question like this. My father worked as a cobbler and my son is also a cobbler. There is nothing new in it. We are born to work like cobbler.
Yes, very good answer you also said. So we should not copy from the book. In our word, in simple words, we have to say. So what answer you can say, children? That what was the initial reaction of cobbler to Kailash question? The initial reaction of cobbler to Kailash question was he hesitated. Okay, he hesitated, but replied in frail voice. And what he said, like that, you all said the answer, that my father was cobbler, I am cobbler, and my son is cobbler, and we are born to work. Okay, children, we are learning how to answer any question. Okay, so if you will participate in the class nicely, then this is my responsibility to teach you how to write the answers nicely. Okay. So I think very good children are there in the class. Now fourth question. Let me see who will say the fourth question answer. Why did the cobbler
Sir,
beat
may
up
I?
his son? Yes, say. Was he justified in doing so? So remember the story what I taught you. Why he was beating his son?
That the cobbler beated his son because he had gone for lunch and had asked his son to cover the shoes with a plastic share if it rains. The boy dropped himself in the plastic sheet instead of protecting the shoes. The other people,
Okay, so
the other people. Sir, may I?
you are saying good answer, boy, but you
The,
are reading the book, I think. You try to speak in your
sir,
own
may I
voice.
say?
Yes, say. Who is
The
this?
Sir,
other
may
people.
I?
Sir,
Yes, very good answer. So, like this, in English class, all will speak, all will say the answer. Right? Now, you see, why did the cobbler beat up his son? Was he justified in doing so? Any another child is present in the class who want to say this answer? Yes, say the answer. Okay, so the cobbler beats his son. Yes, say. See, if you will say the answer in yes. Okay, so you are saying answer by your own or you are reading the book? Oh, already you have written the answer. Okay. Okay. So what were the two things that the young Kailash and his friends did to help raise money for the school fees of underprivileged children? Any another child is present in the class who want to say this answer? Yes, say. Underprivileged children. Okay, so what the two things they did? First of all, they were having the football some association, and the one who was getting the entry in that team, they were charging some money, and that money they were raising for the fee for the children. First point. Second, in the fair or in the market, they were having some stall also. They were selling something, and by selling this, whatever the money they were able to make, that money they were using for fees for the children. So these are the keywords, and now you can make your answer nearby this. So I'm not getting answer from all the students. You see, like this only we will learn. If I am teaching the story, after that in the discussion class, I will say the question and you all will say the answer. And after listening your answer, I will correct you that yes, you are correct. You are little bit some changes you have to do in your answer. Like this, you will become very good in English. Okay, your spoken, your written. Okay, it will become very good. And you know, if your English will become good, you can get very good marks in all the subjects except maths. Now, the next question we can talk about. Last question. How did Kailash and his friend ensure? Sorry, children. How did Kailash and his friend ensure that people in their neighborhood donated old test books? Okay, who will say this answer? Anyone? Yes, say. Yes, very good answer you said. Any another child is there in the class who want to say the same answer for the question? Yes, try. Okay, so means finally both the children want to say that Kailash and his friend what they did, they were having one. You can see this card. Okay, they were having one card, and by using that card, they were congratulating all those who passed the exam, and like this, they asked books from them, and they were having the books for the needy children. Very good, okay. So, answer the following with reference to the context, think and write, vocabulary and grammar. This all we will discuss today only in the next class. So, next class when we have? Now only we have. Okay. So, I will finish this class. After that, you will join very soon. Okay. Understood, children? Okay. But you try to speak, all of you try to speak, all of you try to participate. Okay, if you will not participate, then I cannot do anything. Right? Okay.